Tucson, but it's like
Right.
the biggest. They did a 2-part blog.
Yeah.
And it was.
All right, everybody, we are at the International Builders Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. And staying with me is Tom Coronato, and we're going to unleash financing for the offsite construction industry right after a word from these supporting members. Stay tuned. Is the largest global manufacturer of multi-directional forklifts and straddle carriers, a leader in long load handling solutions, offering a free warehouse and site optimization design service. CombiLift helps companies of all sizes and from every industry maximize the capacity, safety, and efficiency of their warehouse and storage facilities. A big thank you to Paul Short and the team at CombiLift for helping us all to build it better. Visit them at combilift.com. Ready to scale up your offsite construction business? Introducing 4A Constructs, your solution to finding skilled labor for offsite manufacturing. Say goodbye to the headache of recruiting a skilled workforce with hand-selected certified tradesmen that are expertly trained and managed for offsite manufacturing, set crews, and finish crews, ensuring maximum productivity and safety. Unlock the future of skilled workforce development for all of your offsite construction needs. Visit them at 4aconstructs.com. All right, everybody, thank you to all those sponsors, and thanks to all of our supporting members, which you've been seeing on the ticker going across the bottom of our screens. Unfortunately, we can't do that here in Vegas, but what we can do is help you understand how to finance your projects, and not only finance your projects, get them done in record time. That's what I was hearing, Tom. I'm holding you to it. Tom, tell everybody a little bit about who you are and what you do.
Tom Coronato, starting a new company this week. It's going to be One Trust. I'm going to be with the Calcon division, actually leading them for system-built financing for across the country. And it's been in the business 27 years and just looking to take it to the next level and making this move to help everybody in this segment of the industry.
All right, listen, Tom, you're being a little bit too easy. Tom, I've known you for a long time. You're one of the biggest names in lending for the offsite community. You're now coming into the chair, right, position for the Building Systems Council, soon to be called the Offsite Systems Council or something like that.
Yeah.
But either way, you have a lot of roles, you have a lot of friends, you have a lot of factories that put business through you because you take care of your clients. Tell us a little bit about some of the options you have with this bank.
So going forward, we're going to have not just the fact that we'll always do pre-curb funding for single family and for multifamily, but they're going to add some unique segments of the industry for the builder, the developer, for investors.
Yeah.
Still covering first-time buyers at like VA, FHA, USDA level. 5%, 0% down. But the more exciting stuff is going to be some forward commitment stuff that's going to have really low rates, trying to solve affordable housing, not just through price from the manufacturer, but through the actual financing of the deal. So.
Let's talk about your current lending institution, that you're working with. They're very forward-looking, from what I'm hearing, and they can make decisions that can impact how somebody moves forward very quickly. Is what you're finding out? Yeah,
that is correct, and we're going to have some AI aspects to it as the business kind of develops very quickly.
Yeah.
It's I'm directly reporting to the CEO and basically to the owners of the company in a specified division. That's going to be one phone call. They'll make decisions. It could be days or maybe a week to make a thing. So we're not going to be trying to move the Titanic.
Right.
We're going to be moving a smaller institution, but they're projecting to do a couple $3 billion in construction business this year, which is kind of a good chunk for our industry.
Single family, multifamily, commercial. What do you guys cover?
Mostly single family, multifamily will be an option. Commercial, got to be honest, is a little bit outside of my scope at the moment, but I think it's something that they'll probably start looking at. I'm not sure. They're always working on something, so I'm not always privy to the conversation, but it is definitely innovative, and the system-built world and Offsite is where they're focusing.
So let's talk about the NAHB and the Building Systems Council. You just getting walked in today as the new chair.
New chair, yeah.
Tell us a little bit about what you're looking to do as the new chair in the council.
Oh, like with most memberships, I think there's a new chair. You want to grow memberships. You have folks that are involved in the NAHB, but I've been involved with the group for about 16 years.
Yeah.
I sat in the peanut gallery to begin with to kind of figure out what was going on, and they kind of voluntold me it was time to get onto the bigger table, and then I kind of kept moving my way until last year I was the vice chair. The first kind of order of business, I think, was kind of figuring out how do we get seen.
Yeah.
I think, and being seen is, trying to look at Offsite as the new type of lending, but it's not lending, but building. And I really think that just doing some educational stuff is going to help. Everyone's looking for information on this.
Right.
I don't know that I'm going to do it any better than the guys. I'm standing on the shoulder of giants, so I'm just hoping to hold the gavel and not look awkward.
Well, listen, the offsite construction industry is growing. We travel the world covering it. There's so many people opening up new manufacturing here. Whether you like the new administration or not, they're pro-manufacturing here, so hopefully that opens the door for new housing manufacturers and offsite manufacturers come on board. Financing options, what are you seeing as the interest rates moving forward? What are you looking at as far as lending rates for new construction?
That's such a hard question to answer.
Look,
if I had the crystal ball, we'd be at an ocean right now when we'd be doing this interview. So we're not there. I think the projection from the talking heads is that rates are going to come down. If and when, it's not sure. That's where we're jumping in, trying to offer rates 2 to 3% below the market as a 30-year money, with the builder, kind of helping us out with, kind of structuring these, builds, and again, could be a small builder, it could be a large developer. The construction to perm market opens up where these guys aren't relying on one bank's credit line to just build one house, but then spreading it out over multiples.
Yeah.
Again, rates, it's anybody's guess, but I think rate is going to have to be a big component to get affordable housing affordable.
Right.
So.
Well, and that's really it. We need more manufacturers. In fact, thousands of more manufacturers to bring down the cost of housing and build the supply and demand of what we currently need. So, Tom, how do people get a hold of you?
I'd love to just throw out my cell phone number for now, but it's 973-229-7698. Old school, but look at me. I'm going to be old school. A text is fine.
Right?
Yeah, LinkedIn, you'll find me. It's Thomas Coronato.
Yeah.
I'll have email here in a few hours, and then I'll be up and running with my new position at the new bank. And got to say, once I have all that, we'll come back and circle around and do this again, I hope. So.
Yeah, we're definitely going to circle it around. You're coming in as what is your position going to be?
Senior Vice President of New Construction Lending.
Right, so that means he can make decisions.
Yeah.
A decision maker. Hey, that's what we need in this industry. So listen, everybody, if you're at the International Builders Show, I am going to be here from today through Friday. So if you want to connect, send us a DM through LinkedIn is probably the best way. We got some private networking events and so forth that we're doing here, but we'd love to connect with you and see what you guys have going on. And stay tuned, because we're going to walk the show floor. We're going to take you to the startup zone, the new product zone. We're going to walk you through the show village that's being built outside here as well. So keep your eye out for all the great content coming over the next couple of days. I'm Dave Cooper, and thank these supporting members as well, and thank you for watching. What an amazing show. Thank you to all of our sponsors for helping us to continue to bring all of these innovative conversations to all of you out there. Please visit them, see what they have to offer you, and as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell. It would mean the world to us. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.